Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to upload a file on your Dropbox from your desktop. So let's get started. First, open your Dropbox account. Then to upload any file to your Dropbox, you can either tap on this button, upload, then choose file, then select the file that you want to upload. Or you can simply open the file explorer, then select the file that you want to upload and simply drag and drop the folder to your Dropbox. And as you can see, we have successfully uploaded a file from our PC to our Dropbox. We also have another method to upload file to our Dropbox. To do so, simply open your File Explorer, then go to this file Dropbox. And whatever file you place here will be uploaded to your Dropbox. Let's see an example. Let's open a file that I want to upload. For example, let's say this image waterfall.png. I will simply move this file to this folder, and it will take some time, and when it's green with the tick mark, it means we have successfully uploaded the file to the Dropbox. Let's go to our Dropbox account, and as you can see, the photo has been uploaded to our Dropbox as well. And guys, that was it. It was this simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.